Racing just is started. We have Gobelis. Break quickly at a start. Cool reception is down the inside. Lady Jaja, Janet Lynn best strike. While Presidenciable is the early trailer by about 6 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Gobelis. Lady Jaja is right behind in second best strike. Cool reception, Presidenciable. While Janet Lynn is the early trailer by about 6 lengths of the leader. And as they swing down the back, we have Gobelis by about 2 lengths. Rushing up now to take second is Presidenciable. Lady Jaja in third. Cool reception, best strike, while Janet Lynn is still running at the tail of the field. Back to the leader, we have 2 runners fighting out for the lead. Presidenciable now takes command by about 3/4 of a length lead. Gobelis drops back in second. Lady Jaja in third. Cool reception. Then comes best strike, while Janet Lynn is still running at the tail of the field. And on the fourth turn, we have Presidenciable. This time by about 4 lengths. Lady Jaja to take second. Gobelis shuffle back in fourth, or rather in third. Cool reception in fourth as they swing for home. We have entry number 1, Presidenciable is still in control, maintaining a 4 lengths lead. Lady Jaja in second. Moving up now on the outside is Janet Lynn, last 75 years. We have Presidenciable followed by Lady Jaja, Janet Lynn, and finally Presidenciable, Janet Lynn close with Lady Jaja. Cool reception. Then comes best strike and Gobelis.
Ganda ng forecast no? Ay, pinakadihading kong 4.